I'm hoping to install things right instead of just going on a job and trying to just figure it out myself. Try to put them in the right way and get them done right and make every customer happy with their windows and doors.
Todd, you are our ICP Installer Certification Program trainer. So can you tell me what all you do in this position?
We're making some really high quality product that take really high quality people to put them in. So the people that perform operations for our customers are installers, service techs, measure techs. So we bring those in and train them, try to get them all on the same page. And we're trying to help them identify who ProVia is and what we're about. And then also give them some ideas of how we fabricate product. So we have plant tours that work into the training, and that helps them identify what the product is that we're training on. And then they can see the nuances there. They learn a lot more from looking at things than they do listening to us.
So you mentioned the plant tours. When I went through this class with you, installers were chiming in a lot.
It's definitely a two-way street. We learn a lot from installers, and there are changes that are made in product a lot of times based on input we get from them. If we're talking directly to installers, we get the real stuff.
So we're on the first day of the class. What have you guys done so far?
So far, beginning of the day, actually the whole first half of the day, we toured the whole plant. It's a lot of walking and a lot of touring. But it's pretty sweet to see how the doors come along, especially between the metal doors and the other doors that we do. And then we've been just going over like pamphlets of how things fit in. About to figure out how doors actually get installed.
And so that's why you're here probably.
Correct.
A lot of the stuff that we've learned is fine tuning of, everything. The doors, entry doors. Day 2 we're on storm doors, French doors, things of that nature.
And you are in sales for your company. So what are you getting out of this?
I think probably the best thing a salesman can ever do is learn how the product's installed so that when he goes or she goes out on site, they know what to look for, they know how to sell it correctly ahead of time, so that when the installer gets on site, that installer doesn't have a lot of issues. We're first on the scene, and it goes smooth.
What I've learned is I will know when I walk onto the job site from all the experience that I've through here at what position they are in on that install, that I'll fast forward myself through this process to put myself to where I'm looking at that door. So whatever I am taking here, I'm putting it right into the installation part. So I'm about 90-95%. So getting these little tidbits from everybody else and then learning this is pushing me up there. Okay. So I can be a better inspector. It just helps me overall fine tune that. I know what to look for at what stage.
As we have in our name, ProVia, professional way, we deal with professionals.